With regards to the protests that are happening in Delhi, let's speak to a few people in Mumbai and ask them. We have Mayank Gandhi here. So, the kind of protests that we are seeing, a chief minister standing against his own, for protest. This has never been happening in India. How do you look at it?
See, we have been elected by the people to run the state of Delhi. Unfortunately, Delhi is the only place where the powers of the police are not given to the state. And you know the kind of police that there is. Completely corrupt, the drugs, the sex, the corruption, the violence, the rapes that's happening there. And the police is doing nothing. They are a completely corrupt and useless force. So we want to be accountable to the people of Delhi. We are a responsible party and we want that we should be accountable to the people, and for that we need the police to be under our control. You know that Sheila Dikshit has been trying to talk to the central government to get them the police control, but in vain. We also went and talked to the Home Minister, but he point blank refused that. We were left with no alternative but to do Andolan.
But you as a party do support Somnath, what he had done, the Law Minister, what he had done with those people was being racist. You don't consider that as racist at all?
No, we are not a racist party. We do not believe that there is any place for racism in discourse, public discourse especially. So we do not believe, and if there is anything that is racist in whatever he has said, I do not think that's the right thing to have done.
Do you think, the kind of language that Mr. Kejriwal is offhand using, that, the words that he's saying that Shinde is no one to dictate orders to him, he's a chief minister, the kind of language that is being used, is that all right for
Tell me what is wrong in what he's saying. He's the chief minister. Wait a minute. He's the chief minister. And in a state, if he cannot decide where he can sit and do things like that, so if he says that Mr. Shinde has no right to tell me that, what is the wrong word? I don't know which word is wrong in that.